the one piece of chicken? Okay. The one piece of cafe? Fried.
One piece catfish fried.
I want to say some macaroni and cheese, and is that collard greens? I haven't had your collard greens. I'll try the collard greens. Where did you get that from? Okay, yeah, put that down. That's not yours.
You want it on the side?
Yeah. Where'd you get that from? No, you can't touch that. I'm paying with card today. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to eat. Oh my God. How about this, baby? Yes, mama. Yes, papa. You got some juice? Can I get some? Mommy get some? Careful. No, we about to eat good. Yeah, we got catfish. We got catfish. We got chicken. Be careful. Got some sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, we here eating the chicken because the fish is still taking forever to come. So here's the- Hey. Hey, Mom. So good, y'all. Hey, Bob. Taria said hello in the last vlog. Hey, Taria. He said, hey, Taria. Y'all. Here. Oh, and we also got some sweet potato pie, but it's just okay. Yeah? Come back. Now we on the road with VLOGTOBER. Let's go. Thank you. Have a good day. Huh. Okay. Hey. You piece of bread? Y'all, the food is here. Look at this food, y'all. Yes, it's hot. Hey. Yeah, be careful. Hold on, be careful, buddy. Don't drop the cake. Why is this so good? I don't know. Yeah, this is so good. Huh? Yeah, I've been craving catfish. I love the food in Georgia. Hungry. Yeah. Oh my God. It's the Dubai Beauty Supply Store. So
If you like
like grande stuff, they have that bloody cup over there. It's like $3.
What?
This a little like markdown section.
Oh,
This
okay.
markdown, yeah, they got the grande pop up there for like 3 something.
Oh.
There's a blow jar over there
For $3?
Not the blow jar for $3.
I was like, I'll take that.
It's 41. Not bad.
Oh, okay.
That's a blow dryer. There's a Olaplex kit for 14. You need a clipper. It's gonna be on this side. You got the app on your phone?
No, I still don't know why it's not doing allowing me to do it.
I'm gonna give you a number, okay? Hold on.
I have the number. I have all of
Thanks
that.
for calling Salon Centric on Power Story Road. Come and save 20% off of Malibu. See, how can I help you? You would have to go ahead and go on your app or online and place your orders through there to our store. Hold on one moment. I'm with a customer actually. Hold on.
Yeah, I have the information to call.
Oh, you do? Okay.
I just never was able to get a chance yet to do it.
Okay.
But I'm going to definitely do it this week.
What's the last four of the phone number?
You know, can I say something? I just, I feel like, you know how sometimes you just like, you try to ignore stuff or whatever, but I just kind of feel like since the pandemic, we're really fucked up, but nobody wants to, like, nobody wants to be honest, like, and admit, like, niggas is just, we done been through it so bad, mentally, all of us, you on some real stuff, like, if we gonna be honest, we done just got out of a pandemic, y'all. We all survived the pandemic. We literally just watched 6 million plus people die in no time, get wiped out in no time. Family members, friends who family members got killed. Like, you know what I'm saying? So the time that we're in now, it's okay to heal. It not even just heal, but it's okay to know you're not okay and be open about it. You know what I'm saying? Like, we just need to be more open with how we're really feeling to alleviate some of the stress, because you can see the stress on people. You can see the stress on people. It ain't even you, but it's the adverse effects of everything that's going on. And I feel like we're not able to, there's definitely a communicative barrier that we're not able to get through and sift through. You know what I'm saying? Because I went to 2 places already. And then this is the thing. I do look into things. I do read into things. Yes, I do. I do look into things. I do read it too much. To read between the lines, nigga. Yes, nigga. I'm reading between every single line. One thing I'm going to do is read between the lines. One thing I'm going to do is check your ass. That's one thing I'm going to do is check you. I'm going to check and see your temperament, your tonality, your everything. All of that stuff matters. And how you treat people, because you gotta understand, like, People know when you got a chip on your shoulder. People would know when you acting like a bitch. People know. It's written all over you. You can't hide that. I went to the Dick's Sporting Goods this morning, and I'm only speaking on this shit because I'm so tired of it. It needs to be spoken about. If you're not feeling okay, it's okay. Open your mouth publicly to somebody. Let them know you're not feeling good. Be able to talk to somebody so that way somebody else can give you some encouragement, give you some boost on life, give you something so that way when you get back to the workplace, you don't got a chip on your goddamn shoulder. Like, I get it, man. We have all been through a goddamn pandemic. You're not the only one. Okay? You're not the only one that's been through something. You're not the only one that's going through something. You're not the only one. So, how about what we do from here on is if we're out in public and we're dealing with the public, I don't gotta know you got a chip on your shoulder. It's not, I don't have to know that. I don't have to. Like, this is not it. This is not the time and the place. You know what I'm saying? Like, so that's just my response to that. Like, this morning I walked into Dick's Sporting Goods. Y'all, someone stole my damn Stanley cup. Someone stole my goddamn cup. Like, why would you take somebody's cup that got someone else's mouth and germs and everything on it? Like that? Like, why? Like, that don't make no sense. That's so stupid to me. But go ahead, take it. Since you just needed the cup that bad. So, I go into Best Buy. I go into Dick's Sporting Goods and get my cup, and all I'm doing is picking up my cup, bro, and walking to the register. I already know what I want. I'm not coming in here asking nobody no questions. Honey, the black cash register, there was 2 black cash registers at the thing. One of the black cash registers, girl, she is looking at me, and it could be because I probably have a bonnet on. Like, now I'm thinking about it, now I'm like, oh, the bitch probably using skinning and grinning because I got a bonnet on. I don't give a shit. Like, but let me tell you something. When I catch your bitch ass staring at me, looking at me crazy, my response is not gonna be so nice. Like, and so like, and that's the thing. Like, my response isn't always nice. My response isn't always nice. Maybe that's something that God gotta work on me. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I'm revealing my truths. Because why is it that I can snap in 10.2 seconds? Why is it that I am a very nice person, but when you skinning and grinning at me, why are you skinning and grinning at me? Like, what? Why are you looking? What's wrong with your upper lip and your nose? And why you looking at me like you got a problem? And bitch, if I notice that shit, I'm gonna be skinning and grinning and look back looking at your motherfucking ass. Because it's like you trying me. Like, on some real, you trying me. You trying to get a reaction out of me. You know what I'm saying? You asking me to give you a reaction. You trying to get a motherfucking reaction out of me. And bitch, I'ma give you a motherfucking reaction every single time. If you talk to me crazy, I'm gonna motherfucking talk to you crazy. If you look at me crazy, I'm gonna look at you crazy. Address me exactly how the hell if you address me crazy, I'm addressing your ass crazy every single time. Yeah, I got a lot of work on, you know what I'm saying? I got a lot to work on or whatever. Like, I don't know. I guess I just don't I'm not here for nobody's BS. Like, I'm just not. I'm not here for nobody's BS. The moment you, like, cross me and say hurtful things, you know what I'm saying? I'm not letting go of that. Like, to me, I can't let go of that shit. I have to keep that shit stored in my thoughts, in my mind, and how I address you from here on is from exactly when you exposed your hand. Now I have to deal with you such. There's like no turning back. For me, it's kind of like no turning back, and it sucks. It sucks, right? Like, that really sucks. Like, the moment that you say something crazy to me, you said it already. You know what I mean? You said it already. You did it already. Ain't no backtracking. You don't backtrack. Motherfucker, that's what you said. So, that's it. Y'all niggas is crazy. Y'all niggas is crazy. That's it. That's all. Y'all motherfuckers is crazy.